here's our room tour of room 4242 in the 60s building. So here we go. Walk in. This is the hide bed, so this one's gonna pull down. When you walk in, we have a nice fridge. We have a coffee machine, ice bucket, cups, nice windows. We have some recycling. Drawers in here for nice storage. Nice television. We have 2 USB ports and 2 plugs there. We have a safe here, which is pretty deep. They're always pretty big. You have the other bed. There we go. And underbed storage under here, which is nice if you have a lot of luggage. And then here we are in the bathroom area. So this is a nice little closet area. Got storage for shoes. We got iron board. There's a lot of storage in here, I'm finding. I guess I could take my mask off. Sorry about that. Hair dryer. Oh, an iron. That's nice. Me. We have this. Oh, my favorite. One of these mirrors. And then a nice bathroom area. Look at this shower. I like that they have this now because I was using it way too much. A nice shower. Whoa. With that. So cool.